Hey guys, what's up? It's Nate here. I am actually working on my shins a little bit right now. It was bothering me the past couple of days. I tried them on and they were just too big. Probably about maybe an inch and a half too big or too tall. So whenever I put them on, this is the right one. When I put them on, I couldn't even put my shoes on. Like, when I put my shoes on, the shins would be so far up here that it just looked ridiculous. And I couldn't even bend my leg, barely. So what I did is I took a measurement without compromising the design of the shins. I brought the line where the end of it was. I just brought it up. So let me see if I can find my cutoff piece here. Yeah, so there's my piece that I cut off. See, I just kept the same form. I just took a little bit of it off. All the way to where it meets up with this line here. Because this line is actually fine, because it comes up on the back there. Or actually that's the front. It comes up on the front quite a bit. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am cutting things off with my rotary tool here. And I hate these things. I hate these little cut-off wheels. They constantly break. That's why I've got this ridiculous-looking face shield on, because I don't want any of that hitting me in the face. So I'm going to cut those off, and we'll get going. I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. All right, I'm back. I finished cutting these babies. This is my right side. Actually, yeah, this is my right. Well, is it? No, this is my left side. Sorry. Goodness. And I'm going to try that on real quick. I got my ridiculous undersuit pants on here. Oh, yeah. So much better. So now, let's see if I can bring you down over here. Now they fit just right. And I just barely cut any of it off. So, you can't, whenever I get it all painted and everything, you will never even know. It still feels like it's going to hit my heel a little bit, but it's not too bad back there on the back part. It's a heck of a lot better than it was. And it'll go right over top of my shoe. Yeah, good. What you can do also, if you didn't want to cut, if you print them and they're too big, or you could probably flare them out a little bit on the bottoms. right here, before you prime them or anything, you could probably heat them up with a heat gun and just bend them out a little bit so they fit over your shoes. But that's not bad. Let me try the other one on. Yeah, so that's way better. Let's see if I can show you. See, this part right here goes right in the bend of my leg, and then the other part I have about an inch, like for the heel there, so I can at least bend my leg a little bit now. Whereas before I couldn't even bend them. Let me get this thing on here. All right, come on. Sweet. Nice and bendy now. All right. That was just a quick little thing. I was working on it and I was like, man, I need to film that just in case somebody else runs into the same issue. I mean, you never know. It's hard to, I couldn't get it right in Cura. I was messing with it, trying to, shorten it and just kind of get it to fit me a little better, and I couldn't get it. I'm 5'10", so I mean that's a pretty average height, but I think Tom is a little, I think he's like 6 feet or something like that. So and I think these are made specifically for his size, so I had to chop them down a little bit to fit my legs. But anyways, guys, I'm going to work on some other stuff tonight too, and I'll probably film that, so I might have a couple of videos coming out. But just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing with that, with those shins. Got them, I actually sanded them down too a little bit. I might fill these in. There's some little gaps just between where the walls of the print. I might just slap some Bondo, like the spot putty in there or something, and then sand it again, and then hit it with the primer, and it'll be just back to where it was. I hated to do that after I'd already primed it and got it ready, but it's better now than after I painted, I guess. But anyways, y'all stay tuned. I got some more coming tonight, I'm sure, and I'll see y'all then.